IP address is going to be 172.16.1.2. Subnet mask is /24 255.255.255.0. Enter. IP is assigned. No shut the interface. No shutdown. No shutdown. And hit enter. And there we have it. Interface, line protocol, and interface VLAN 1. Change state to up. Very good. Now, there's no default gateway assigned. Can this switch ping its router? Let's find out. Exit. Ping 172.16.1.1. See, it can, because it's on the same network. Now, let's go T IP default gateway. So if it were to try to go to a different network, it would require a default gateway. So it can point to that router that knows the route to the other network. So it would be 172.16.1.1. That is going to be the default gateway. Exit. And we're going to save. Copy. Finally, config to startup config. Yes. Okay, so switch 2 is complete. What's left? Well, the goal of this is to be able to ping from PCA to PCB. Now we know PCA and PCB are not here in this IT closet. If we go back to our floor plan, so I'm going to go up here, back level 1. In our floor plan, we just walked out of the wiring closet. Let's go to the CEO's office because you want to make sure the CEO gets taken care of. Go on the CEO's PC, left click on the PC, left click on desktop, and let's go to IP configuration. Now, configuration always means setup. Conf T to get into global configuration mode where you do all your setting up. On the PC side, IP configuration is where you set up IP configuration. Static is selected by default, and PCA is on the 192.168.1.0 network. How do we know that? We're using the example from danscourses.com, and we're using the beginning network addressing packet trace activity, and on this one, PCA is on the 192.168.1.10 network, and it's a /24 subnet mask. So here we go. I'm going to go to left click on the PC. Here we are, 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask is a /24. Because it's your popular Class C private address, it's so widely used, it just kind of automatically filled it in for you, 255.255.255.0. Default gateway. Now, remember, the purpose of your default gateway is if this PC tries to communicate with a device on the same network as itself, the 192.168.0 network, and you don't have a default gateway, it will still work. It will send the traffic to this switch, and the switch will send it to the appropriate destination. Now, if this PC is sending traffic to a device that is not on the same network, like the other PC, PCB, it will send the traffic to the router or a routing device that has a route to the other network. So we need to let this PC know that our router is 192.168.1.1. That is the IP address of our router. So if you need to go somewhere else other than our 192.168.1.0 network /24, send it to the router. That is why we're putting this here. Okay. If you're familiar with ending, then you know what this does. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go to command prompt and ping the router. So if I say ipconfig, for starters, to see the IP configuration, here it is, the IP configuration. Now ping 192.168.1.1. See, we're getting a response.